Bonjour! Welcome back to your French lesson with Franco Planet. This lesson is about demonstrative adjectives. Les adjectifs démonstratifs. For masculine nouns, the adjective is ce for the word that starts with consonant. Example, if your cat is near you, you would say ce chat, this cat. And if you want to insist about your cat, you would say ce chat-ci, this cat here. If there are many cats, then we'd say ces chats, this cat. And if we want to insist about this cat, then we would say ces chats-ci, this cat there. If the cat is away, then we'd say ce chat, that cat. And if you want to insist about cat, we would say ce chat-là, that cat there. If there are many cats over there, then you would say ces chats, those cats. And if we want to insist about that cat, then we would say ces chats-là, those cats there. For masculine words that starts with a vowel, the adjective is cet. Example, the word for child is enfant. If the child is near you, you would say cet enfant, this child. If you want to insist about this child, you'd say cet enfant-ci, this child here. If there are many children, then you would say ces enfants, these children. And if you want to insist about these children, you would say ces enfants-ci, these children here. If the child is away, then you say cet enfant, that child. And if you want to insist about that child, then you would say cet enfant-là, that child there. If there are many children over there, then you would say ces enfants, those children. And if you want to insist about those children, then you would say ces enfants-là, those children there. For feminine nouns, the adjective is tête, C-E-T-T-E. Example, if there's a dress near you, you would say cette robe, this dress. If you want to insist about your dress, then you'd say cette robe-ci, this dress here. If there are many dresses now, then you would say ces robes, these dresses. If you want to insist about these dresses, then you would say ces robes-ci, these dresses here. If the dress was away, then you would say cette robe, that dress. You want to insist about it, so you say cette robe-là, that dress there. And if there were many dresses, then you'd say ces robes, those dresses. And if you want to insist about those dresses, then you would say ces robes-là, those dresses there. So the demonstrative adjectives are in French. For singular feminine word, it's cette. For singular masculine word, it is ce or cette. And for plural words, it is c'est.
That's it for now. Please visit our website www.francoplanet.com to join the French courses. We offer all kinds of French courses for adults and children. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you may have access and get notified for the free French lessons and contents that we regularly upload over there. See you in the next lesson with Franco Planet, votre destination française.